Today I am making Sepu Vadi, an integral part of Mandyali Dham. So let's get started. We are taking 250 grams of chopped spinach here and we are going to blanch it. Now the spinach is blanched and we are going to give it an ice bath and then we are going to puree it for the gravy. So here we have 250 grams of soak split urad dal. Now we are going to coarsely ground this dal. As you can see, the dal is coarsely grounded now. We have to make sure that there is no moisture and water while making a paste of the dal. I'm going to add some spices to make the vadi. We'll start with asafoetida, hing, some chili flakes, fennel seeds, 1 spoon of fine chopped ginger and some green chilies. Salt according to the taste. And now we are going to mix it nicely. So I am going to make cakes of these dal batter and I'm going to add it in the piping hot water. We are going to let it boil for say 10-15 minutes. As you can see, the vadi is floating on top of the water, which is a sign that the vadi is ready. We will let it cool down for say around 5 to 10 minutes. Now, since it's cooled down, we are going to cut it into 4 pieces. And the vadi looks so good. It's smelling so good, I feel like eating it. We are going to deep fry it till golden brown. As you can see, the color is so beautiful, golden, and the texture is so crispy. I'm going to gorge on these vadis. Of course, it is my childhood thing where I used to just sneak into these botis who were making these vadis and just grab them. Now we are going to start making the gravy for Sepu Vadi, and for that I'm going to add mustard oil. Now I'm going to start adding the whole spices. I'm going to add 3 to 4 black cardamom, some fennel seeds, cloves is optional, and maybe 1 cinnamon stick. I'm going to add the whisk yogurt, which is around 200 ml. We'll keep stirring it, and now we are going to add some powder spices. We will start by adding some turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder, salt according to the taste, coriander powder. I personally love the aroma and flavor of hing. We have to make sure that the masalas are roasted well for another 1 minute. Once the yogurt and masalas are well cooked, we'll add the spinach puree. Now let the spinach cook in the yogurt base for another 1 minute till the raw taste goes away. Now, since the gravy is ready, I'm going to add the Sepu Vadi. Our Sepu Vadi is finally ready to relish with hot and piping steaming rice. Don't forget to subscribe and follow Get Curried. See you all very, very soon.